Hey guys, it's me, DarknDorky from Games in Real Life here again, and I went to the card shop and decided to spend some more money. Let's go! Woo!
So big I couldn't even fit it in front of the backdrop there. The box art's even beautiful. Look at that. Ba-bam. Look at that. Ba-bam. Look at that. Ba-bam. Look at the spider. He's smiling at you. Now let's open this now. Just kidding. You open it nicely. Open it nicely. Oh my god, that was so mean to the box there. Ugh. Now let's pull these bad boys out of the box. Eventually, somehow, someway. Oh, come on, guys! He tapes it to the inside of the box? Why would you do that? Oh! I'm on flapping you. Oh. Oh, there we go.
Monsters of Tal'Dorei, Set 2.
I'm honestly so excited about these guys. I've been looking at these in our card shop non-stop since they came out, and today was finally the day. Today was the day. Pretty sure this is Please stand by for technical difficulties. Finally got him out.
Well, that only took forever. Well, on to the rotoscopes. Please like and subscribe to Games in Real Life if you like watching DarknDorky. Open more garbage to show off or do it-yourself videos. Till next time, see ya folks! Nom 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 nom.